Welcome to AI Brief. Today, we're doing a deep dive into, well, a whole lot that's been happening in artificial intelligence recently.
Yeah, there's been a flurry of activity, Google especially.
Absolutely. Our sources are full of info, Google's big AI showcase, Samsung's robot. We're going to break it all down.
Basically trying to cut through the noise and figure out what really matters right now in AI.
Exactly. So let's start with Google Cloud next. That was a big one.
Definitely a headline grabber. It felt like they were laying out a whole new strategy, almost.
Like with Project IDX, it sounds like it's becoming more than just, a coding tool.
Right, they're merging it with Firebase Studio,
Eh.
positioning it as more of an agentic platform for developers.
An intelligent partner, maybe. It makes you think, how different will building apps actually feel?
Could be quite different. Less just typing code, more collaborating with an AI.
And then there's the hardware side, Ironwood, their newest AI chip.
They're talking about significant performance and efficiency gains, big claims.
So what does that actually mean, practically speaking? Faster AI.
Well, yeah, faster training for those huge models, for one thing, could really speed things up, maybe make powerful AI cheaper to run.
So quicker access to better tools for everyone, potentially.
That seems to be the idea. And they updated their models too, right? VO2 got editing features.
Uh-huh. And camera control. Lyria for making music from text prompts.
And Imagen 3 for better image creation and editing. It's like they're pushing the creative boundaries.
Broadening the scope, yeah.
And Gemini 2.5 Flash, that sounds interesting. It seems like a strategic play. A faster, more cost-effective version of their main model.
With adjustable reasoning levels.
Yeah, so you can kind of pick the power level you need, maybe without the top-tier price tag.
Which could be really useful for businesses wanting to use AI more widely.
For sure.
Yeah.
Okay, then there's this agent-to-agent thing, A2A.
Right, the protocol for different AI agents to talk
Yeah.
to each other, even from different companies.
Exactly. It sounds a bit sci-fi, but it's happening. And look who's involved. Salesforce, SAP, PayPal, over 50 companies already.
Wow, okay. So there's real momentum behind it.
It seems so. The idea is these agents can find each other, manage tasks together, share info.
Without needing like a shared brain or memory.
That's the concept. No shared context needed. They just communicate via the protocol.
How do you see that working in, say, a business setting?
Well, think about complex workflows. Like maybe a sales agent needs info from a support agent at a partner company.
A2A could let them swap that data automatically.
Potentially, yeah. Seamlessly, without a human needing to step in. They mentioned it complements Anthropic's MCP too.
How so? What's the difference?
Well, it looks like A2A is focused more on these high-level agent-to-agent interactions.
Okay.
Well, NCP is more about how an agent interacts with external tools or the outside world.
Got it. And the launch partners are pretty heavy hitters. Atlassian, ServiceNow, Workday.
And the big consultants too. Accenture, Deloitte, McKinsey.
Yeah.
Suggests serious enterprise interest.
The hiring example, they used agents handling sourcing, background checks autonomously. That's quite a vision for the future of work.
It really is.
Yeah.
Significant shift.
And speaking of AI moving into different areas, Samsung and Google are bringing Ballie back.
Oh yeah, Ballie, the little rolling robot, powered by Gemini this time.
We saw a tease of it ages ago, right? At CES.
Yeah, back in 2020, I think. Now it looks like it's actually launching.
A robot navigating your home, projecting video, controlling smart stuff, voice commands.
The whole smart home companion package.
Yeah.
Combining Gemini with Samsung's own AI. Sounds powerful.
They're aiming for a summer release. US and South Korea first.
That's the plan. And they mentioned potential third-party app support later. So maybe a platform.
Definitely seems part of that trend, getting AI into physical forms in our homes.
Absolutely. Okay, shifting gears a bit, Grok.
Ah, yes. Grok 3 is now available via API.
Two models, right? Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini.
Mm-hmm. And the pricing. Well, it puts them in the mix. Grok 3 is like $3 for input, 15 output per $1 million tokens.
And the Mini is much cheaper, $0.30 and $0.50.
How does that stack up? Similar to Claude 3.7 Sonnet.
Roughly. Yeah, for the main one.
Yeah.
Pricier than Gemini 2.5 Pro, though.
So it just shows the competition, the different tiers emerging for developers.
Definitely. And Anthropic didn't wait long to respond, did they?
They came out with new Claude subscription plans with much higher usage limits.
Yeah, like 5 times more usage for $100 a month and 20 times more for $200.
That could make a big difference for heavy users.
Huge. And priority access to new stuff for the top Max Plan subscribers, too.
Always a good incentive. Okay, so beyond those big announcements, there was a lot of other stuff buzzing around too.
Yeah, quite a bit. Like the U.S. government apparently pausing those planned NVIDIA chip restrictions for China.
Oh, interesting. That could have some big geopolitical ripples in the AI race.
For sure. And did you see Moonshot AI's Kimi VL?
The small vision language model, yeah, performing like bigger models on reasoning tasks.
Exactly. Shows that bigger isn't always better, maybe. Efficiency matters.
And on the health front, UCL researchers developed MindGlide.
Right, for analyzing MS brain scans much faster. Supposedly better than current tools.
That's the kind of AI application that feels really impactful.
Definitely. There's also movement on the regulatory side. The NO Fakes Act is back.
Aimed at deepfakes, with backing from tech and entertainment folks this time.
Shows growing concern about misuse of AI-generated media.
OpenAI launched that Pioneers program, too.
Collaborating with startups on industry-specific uses and evaluations. Smart way to get real-world feedback.
Meanwhile, Europe's putting serious money down with the AI Continent Action Plan.
$200 billion. That's a massive commitment to building out AI infrastructure.
Could really accelerate things across Europe. And Microsoft's testing screen sidekick for Copilot.
Yeah, AI that can see your screen and help you directly in Windows apps. That could be
Potentially very helpful, or maybe a bit intrusive depending on how it works.
true. And the OpenAI versus Elon Musk drama continues. OpenAI filed a countersuit now.
Alleging a sham takeover attempt and harassment, it's getting complicated.
Just shows the high stakes involved. Adobe's also adding creative agents.
Into Photoshop and Premiere Pro for analysis and automation.
Yes, suggesting edits, automating tasks. Could really change creative workflows.
And even WordPress is getting in on it. Free AI website builder via chat.
Making it even easier for anyone to get online.
Finally, a quick look at funding. Lots of money still flowing into AI startups.
Yep, Solve Intelligence and Legal Tech got 12 Delavis. Next-gen cloud for GPUs raised $45.
And Artisan, the AI sales agent startup, pulled in $25 Series A.
So investors are still bullish on AI across various sectors.
Okay, let's quickly run through some trending tools people might want to check out.
Sounds good. There's Novasonic Amazon's new speech-to-speech voice model.
Cogito V1 Preview, a new open-source LLM family.
Gemini Deep Research now has the 2.5 Pro experimental version available.
Nemotron Ultra, that's NVIDIA's big open-source reasoning model.
Gramo looks like a tool for free-form brainstorming.
I Ask AI, an answer engine aiming for accuracy on complex stuff. No login needed.
Vapey AI offering voice agents for more human-like customer interactions.
EasySite, a no-code platform for websites and sales automation.
And Amirex positioning itself as an AI companion for tasks and workflows.
Phew. Okay, that pretty much wraps up our deep dive for today. A lot going on.
It really is a fast-moving field. Hopefully this overview gave everyone some valuable insights.
We hope so too. To keep up with future analyses and discussions, please do follow and share AI Brief.
Thanks for tuning in.